SEO. I have no idea what that stands for. You got to know something about SEO.
Search engine optimization. Yes, you do. So yeah, optimizing your website well. It's not something you can do on your own. Sorry, it just isn't. It is not something you can do well on your own. You do need to have someone to do it. So that's the first thing. And then also optimizing it means that so that customers are going to find you on Google, optimizing it for Google, and you need experts to help you figure that out.
So for your website, it's like people may be searching for information for, who repairs water heaters and that kind of stuff.
Correct.
So you want to have that kind of information, and it's done in a specific way.
Yes.
You're optimized. I'm using air quotes here for those that are listening. You're optimized. So yeah, you show up higher. Now the good news is it's so much easier today to be found like that. Okay. But you got to do it. And you're right. You can't do it on your own.
No.